In this tutorial, we'll talk about the Suggest a Business page. This page allows your users to suggest a business to your website. First, a recap. For this tutorial, we'll use the CreativeMinds Business Directory Pro. This plugin allows you to list a series of businesses or companies on your website. So, to enable this page, first, you need to have the Business Directory Pro plugin and the Business Directory Community add-on enabled. You can find these settings under Plugins, Installed Plugins. Right. So to find the Suggest a Business page, you can go to Business Directory Pro, Settings, and link to the CreativeMinds Business Directory Community page. You can also edit this page, and you can see here that the page only contains this shortcode. This shortcode is what generates the form. The process is the same for the other directory plugins, Expert Directory and Product Directory. Right, so the page is set up. How do we modify it? Also, under Business Directory Pro Settings, you can go to the Community Business tab. In this tab, you can find all settings related to that page. So let's go over some of them. Under Form Settings, you can enable the CAPTCHA. For this, you have to provide a CAPTCHA key. Under Moderation, you can choose if you review new content and also when users edit content, and also which roles are allowed to add a business. Under Notification, you can set up a series of email notices. Here, under Add a Business Form, you can change the business page if you like. If Claims Management is enabled, users can claim businesses as their own. Finally, the Recovery Management allows users to recover their lost passwords. That covers all settings related to the Suggest a Business page. If you have any other questions, check our guides or contact us. Thank you!